Welcome, my name is Kamini. I'm going to give you the tarot readings for the three coming months, which is June, July, August. As you can see, there are two piles here, the left and the right one. Now, if you've chosen the left one, I'm going to start first with your reading. I'm going to start with June. Let me see what is coming. Okay, in June, you might feel a little stressed out. Maybe you're not able to sleep properly. And the reason could be anything, maybe financial, emotional, whatever reasons are there, health reasons. However, your advice card is a strategy card. You are feeling like this, maybe you're feeling like this maybe because you have not planned well. So start planning in the month of June what you have to do in your future months or future years. Okay, when you plan properly, you'll not be feeling stressed out. Now in July, I also see this card, the Tower card. This card actually comes when you are feeling, when things are not happening for the good, but some things which are not good, they are breaking off. So in the month of July, I see that whatever is not suitable for you, that is breaking off, which is not a bad sign. And any kind of advice in the month of July, I see that you get the appreciation card, which means that you need to appreciate what you have in your life. Okay, that is what is your advice. And in the month of August, I see this card, the Star card. Now this card comes when you are looking forward to your future and you'll be proceeding well within your means. And you also get an advice card here, the financial constraints, which is your advice card. It also means that you need to stay in your financial, if you have something like some kind of financial problem, stay within your means. Don't do extravagant expenses, so that you can go along with your destiny. The Star card is a destiny card, and you'll be going on along well, maybe because in the last few months, maybe in the month of June and July, things have not been very good, so you are a little stressed out. But then strategize, appreciate what you have, and stay within your means, which is financially, you can stay within your means so that you are proceeding well in your life. Okay, this was your reading for the month of June, July, August 2020. Now pile number 2, let me see what your cards are. Pile number 2, you've got the King of Wands, and you've also got the Storm. Let me show you the card, Storm warning card. Okay, what it actually means, maybe you are trying to find a job in the month of June. Be somebody who is maybe older than you, or is a male figure older than you. He might help you out or give you some work. But however, you are facing some kind of crisis, maybe in the work front in the month of June. So what I would say that you need to just, it's like a storm warning. So it's like something is coming your way in the month of June, maybe in terms of work. Let me see what is July for you. Okay, in July you are kind of very energetic and very strong. And what I also see is in July you might meet someone, you might find someone who is quite younger to you, and he might help you out in maybe in your daily work. Somebody, or you, it can be also yourself, who is quite energetic. Let me see what advice you get. You've got the Victory card, maybe something that is working in the month of July, maybe in terms of work, doing things properly. You're feeling quite victorious, or you might start feeling victorious in the month of July. And August, again I see some kind of indecisiveness, some kind of maybe analyzing your situation, or being a little defensive in the month of August 2020. And the reason could be that you're not very clear in your goals. You need to be clear in your goals so that you don't feel very analytic in the month of August. So primarily a mixed 2-3 months for you. Overall, I see that you are, it's a positive sign, because you are facing what is coming. Maybe in the work front you're facing what is coming to you. You're being quite energetic in the month of July, and yes, this indecisiveness in the month of August, but clarity of thoughts will help you in the month of August 2020. So overall, quite a good month for you next 3 months. And you can also leave a comment and let me know how you how the 3 months have gone for you, how they will go for you. Till then, take care. Thank you so much.